Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy table from PDF into Excel. It's really simple and easy. Here we have a PDF with a table in I want to get into Excel. So first of all, go and open up Excel like so. And what you need to do is go in the top ribbon and go and select data. Then you need to go over to the far left and select get data. Hover over from file and then select from PDF. You will go and get this pop-up and you need to go and find the document. After you have, go and highlight it and select import. You go and get this pop-up, and in display options you can go through the different tables here. I've just got one and there it is. If it looks correct, you can go and click on load. If you want to make some changes, you can click on transform data as well. So it's good for me, so I'll just click on load and it will load and it will then go and add it in. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to copy table from PDF into Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.